There it is. What is this? Okay, so I've come to Robeck Beach. Look at all these shells. Oh, this is Wreck Beach, the end of Robeck. But look what's happened. The stairs are gone. And there's a guy making a little walkway because it's actually so high. It's maybe 3.5 meters, some pieces 5. So much has been washed away. It could be good, but I don't know. You know, I came here a little while ago and it was a couple of old coins, not that old, maybe from the 40s, the oldest, and a lot of sinkers. But I think I'm gonna take a nice stroll down the beach to the corner and then make my way back. So yeah, wish me luck. Yeah, my first signal over here, nice and high for my liking. Oh, there we go, it's a coin. Let's see it right there. Let's see what we got. This is going to be a 5 cent. No, that's exactly what it is. Good start. Nice little 5 cent. Awesome. Once again, I think it's a coin. 81, very solid. This is all in a 5 meters. I've only walked 5 meters. I've lost it. So then, yeah. Well, it might still be in there. 2 signals, yeah. The high number's there, but that sounds like rust. Yeah, this is going to be rust, I think. That's what one high number was, the 1 rand. Another 2 meters further, a solid 58. Strange how these signals just disappear. It's just gone. I cannot believe it. My hair's stuck in my scoop. No. seem to have pushed it deeper. Oh my, there we go. It's another old one. I don't know what this is, but I think this is going to be nice and old. Yeah, Simplex Ultras pulling them out. I can't make out. This is going to be old. Excellent. Another 1 meter and another item. 67. Still in there. It's 70 now. Still in there. We'll pin it. Oh, it's another one of those small ones. What is this? So if I take a random guess, I'm going to say it's a tiki, a 3 pence, but I'll have to clean them. I can actually see something, I don't want to say, but I think this is a 3 pence. Oh, that's excellent. And another 2 meters, it's another item. They all sound like coins. I don't want to say coin because it could be wrong, but they all sound like coins. If you know what a coin sounds like. If you dig enough of them, you know what they sound like. Also the numbers, and it's a coin, and it's a bit larger. So this is going to be, I think, a 2 cent. It's exactly what it is. You can see the buffalo there. Okay, awesome, cool. So I've done maybe 15 meters on the beach, and turned around and just walking right next to the bank now. And right away I get more signals. Got a nice 85 here, a bit deeper than the rest. Got it. Another old coin. So I think this is larger than a 2 cent. I'm sure. This is something else. This is silver. Awesome. It's also got a bit of weight on it. Yeah. As I can leave my camera running because it's just item after item. And I switch it off and start walking, and I get the next signal. No thrash. It's all just coins. Coins, and I was hoping for that. Hope to maybe get 1 or 2 little pieces of jewelry as well, but if we don't, at least getting these coins. Here's another one. I don't know, this is larger, than a 2 cent. In a little bit worse condition, but still old. That's awesome. And once again, coin. I'm sure it's a coin. Scoop. That's another smaller one. That's 5 cent. Look at this condition. 1971, and it's it's untouched. That's awesome. Right next to that 5 cents, I just pulled out another Signal 64. There's something else in there, but that's maybe junk. And this is ringing a bit different. A bit more all over the place. This might be the first piece of... Nice. Higher again. Let's see. That's a coin again. Another one of those bigger ones. This one I can actually see. This is a 20 cent. Yeah, so those others might be 20 cents, unfortunately, but yeah, still cool. Okay, so I got a nice scratchy one here, but there's a different signal in between it. And over here I got a 60, so we'll dig in between shells and goods. $67. That's out, definitely out. It sounds more modern. There's something there. Okay, what's this? Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. Piece of a necklace. It's got something on it. A little sun. Oh yeah, that's cool. Very cool. Another meter from that necklace. Another signal sounds like a coin. Trim this quick. I'll show you now. Yeah. Yeah, another coin. There you go. Okay, so still on the way back. At 49.50. Got it out. Might be something more modern. Like a bottle cap. Got it in the scoop, let's see. It's another old coin. Another one of these very small ones. So I think it's either Tiki or something slightly older. Oh, awesome. Okay, so I'm still in field mode. I've got the recovery speed on 2 down, so it's not detecting all as deep as it can go, but this is working for me. It's less chatter on that. And then I've got my sensitivity on 26 at the moment. I can push it up, but you get a bit more chatter. So, and I've got I've got it notched out to 15, and it seems to be working well for me. I did just hit a nice deep signal, so this is nice and deep, 75. I almost can't hear it though, it's so deep. So, and I have only been using this machine a couple of days now, so I don't know how deep the deep is for this. The hole's quite deep, maybe 10, 12 inches, and I'm gonna use the pointer to see if I can find that item. So not yet, and it's probably a bit deeper. So what we see now on this beach already is so many coins. Little piece of jewelry. So we don't want to just let a signal go. It's out, I think it's solid 79. So another coin. I think I just saw it as well. Yeah, another coin, and this is going to be another 20 cent. And I turn around and there's another signal, 94, 95. Let's see what this is. Right away, it doesn't sound very good. There we go, it's a coin, and it's another 20 cent. And it's going to be another 20 cent. Right away, another signal. And I'm going to leave the camera running just to show you how quickly I get signals in between each other. This is pointed for this, but it really isn't long. You turn around and there's a signal. So it's a coin. And it's a 2 cent. Awesome. So just gonna close my hole. Always close your holes, guys. Certain people can complain, and that's not good. But camera is rolling, and let's see how quickly I find another signal. There's one right there. 73 again. And we'll take this out and just leave the camera rolling once again, just to show you it's not a fluke. There you go, another coin, possibly a 1 cent. We'll have a look at that. Close your hole and see how long it takes before I get a signal. There's my next signal there. So this one's slightly deeper again, 75. And it's out. And it's a coin. Possibly another 1 cent. Yeah, there's a 1 cent I can see. Another signal here, 84. It's out. Many years worth of losing coins. It's another coin. Might be something silver. See a bit of silver sticking out there. I don't know. I'll give all these coins a clean around. Another signal. That's where our dog switched the camera off, started moving, got a signal. This is a bit different. 61. Out. 65 now. It's making a big noise. I've got it. Let's see. It's another coin. I can't make out. So this is going to be a 10 pence. Yes, silver coin. A 10 pence. Awesome. Another signal over here. I could quite comfortably say it's a coin again. Look. It's another coin. I think it's a 2 cent. There it is. And it continues. 91 right here. Almost at the spot where I started. There's the coin. Another 20 cent, another coin, coin shooting, it's like a coin spell. See it? No. But here I have it on my scoop. There we go. It's a 5 rand. 2 signals here. That's a coin. This is a little deeper. Let's just get that coin out and see if that other one changes. See it? Another small one. It's another ticky, I think. Another one, yeah, a bit deeper. Number 79. 35 now. That's good. It is 5 cents. Once again, I'm going to move on to the wetter sand now from where I started. Do another round. 84. See if somebody's pulled that way. This is a 2 rand. Yeah. Once again, I couldn't move. Vodka was a 90, so maybe another more modern coin right next to the other one. See it? They are pointed. Another 5 cent. Awesome. Another coin over here. Starting to pick up. Here's another coin. Give it a try. See, it's a 1 cent. Very cool. Got another coin here. This time I think it's a more modern coin again. Rand. Yeah. Again, more modern. 88. Maybe a bit of jewelry. In there. What's this? Yeah, it's a big one. So I think this is going to be, it's encrusted. I think this is going to be a 1 rand. It's going to be a 1 rand. They are awesome. These are hard to find. It's got some weight on it. Very cool. Very cool. Bit of a different signal. 66. fully in there. And this is good. Been here an hour and I've got so much coins. Deeper one. Multiple signals there. Sounds a bit different now. Sure. Out, sounds like a coin. So £1. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Still sounds like a coin. Point so long. It's a modern 50 cent. Unfortunately, I don't like those ones. Yeah. Another signal here. What's that? Rust. It's a coin. 2 cents. Cool. Very nice 45, yeah. Solid signal. Seem to be missing it. out 48. That's a very good signal. I've got in my scoop. There it is. What is this? Is it going to be gold? I can see it's a ring. Is it going to be gold? Oh yeah. There's a stamp there. I don't think it's going to be gold. There is a stamp. I think it's going to be silver. Maybe a bit of white gold there, but I can't see. I don't have my glasses on. Yeah, awesome, very cool. Another signal, 65. I bet you it changes when I dig it out. 58. Coin. Look at this beauty. And this has been here 40 years. Look at the shape of that. It's like it's unused. What's the date on it? 1988. Look at that. Awesome. Okay. Another coin here. Still in there. Another big one. What is this? Okay. Very cool. Okay, so I thought this was going to get worse, going a little bit, so it's only gotten better. There's multiple signals here, so this is a coin. I got 50, 55. It's changed. It's out. Is just going to be something like a modern rand. Very cool. And I've got something different. Let's see. see it there. It's a coin. Maybe a 1 cent, maybe something else. Very cool. The camera is still rolling. There's the next signal. Out. I've got it. There we go. Another coin. Probably a 2 cent. I think so. Another coin. Yes, look at this. Look at the condition of this, guys. Look at the condition of that. 88. Jeez, like it's brand new. That's awesome. Jeez. One more signal, yeah. 60, 65. Lower now. $88. Watch us out. It's another big one. What is this? Another 50 cent? It's a 1 rand. This is going to be another 1 rand. Oh, that's amazing. You don't find these. That's amazing. Awesome. Okay, so I'm almost done. Just a couple more digs. I'll leave the camera running for this. I got a signal here. And I want just a bit higher up. And then I'm just gonna have a quick look. This one's out. Got it in the scoop. There it is. And unfortunately, a modern 1 rand. But got another signal. Sounds very similar to this one. More clear. Not more clear. Let's have a look here. What is this? It's another fishing weight, I think. Exactly what it is. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to see if this whole coin spool actually stretches beyond where I started. So I did say that I wasn't going to record this, but I get multiple signals here. The one is a definite coin, the other is a 49. So let's just get both these out. So this is out. And this is going to be a modern coin, I'm sure. But it's the other one that's bothering me. The other one, why I'm recording this. Okay, it's not a modern coin. Very cool. It is, however, a modern coin. Let's see what the other one is. 48. Let's have a look at this. It is a coin. There it is. And it is. This is going to be another ticky, I'm sure. Very cool. Okay, so that's where I pull that coin. Got a signal here. Put all over the place. 25, 30. Now I've got in my scoop. Oh, that's a rip. Oh my, look at that. What's going on here? Woohoo! There's a little stamp there. I can't make out what it says. We're going to have a look at it. Awesome! Okay, so a very successful hunt. Pulling out sinkers and so much coin. A couple of pieces of jewelry, some older coins, some bit more rare coins, which is great to find. Some silvers. Now what happened there is the bank got washed away from the heavy storms, and there used to be an old caravan park there, and it's actually dug into that. So but there's no trash, like absolutely no trash. The only thing I've found that's not on this board is the sinkers. It's incredible. So basically we'll start up here. That's 1 10-cent, modern 10-cent, then a couple of 2 rands, 1 rands and 5 rands. So those are the newer coins. Then we'll start up here. We've got, this is the little one over here is a ½ cent. It's not 100% clean, but I'm gonna show you a picture. It's a small little ½ cent that goes with this 1 cent. So talking 70s, 80s, 90s. So that's the 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents. Strangely, no 10 cents I found. I've got the 5 cents at 20 cents. I mean, there's a couple that's in really good condition. The 50 cent, which is also rarer to find, but this is in superb condition. I mean, look at that shine, even the back and this is how I took it out. I didn't clean it whatsoever. Wonderful. Then there's a £1. This is quite rare to find, because they're heavy. You can see I've damaged it. They're heavy, and people would generally hear them fall or when they lose them. Also, they were quite valuable back in the day, so those are rarer to find. And slightly older coins, these are tickies, three pence. So I found four or five of them, four of them. Then the one up from that is a 6p. Bit harder to find these. Also silver. Then there's the shilling, 1 shilling, 2 shilling, 2.5 shilling. This one is another ½ cent. That there was bigger 1 cent coins, and this might be one. I'm unsure if this is one. I think this is maybe a penny. I could be wrong. I can't get it clean. But yeah, that's a ½ cent, and that I'm not sure of. The jewelry, a small little silver ring. It's puny small, but still nice. The next one is this little pendant, which is very nice looking. Definitely silver, and it's probably been there quite a long time. Very cool. Then I found right at the end, I think I found a nice little gold band. It's 9 carat. Not heavy. I think it's maybe 1 or 2 grams. Nice little gold band. And then the big win for the day, definitely the nice big heavy. I think this is 7 grams, and this is a nice 18 carat white gold band. It's nice and big. It really weighs a nice bit. So that's a really successful hunt. Yeah, once again, I just want to thank John and the team at MDSA for giving me the opportunity to work with them, and giving me the opportunity to work with the Simplex Ultra. It's a great machine. I'm loving it at the moment. Definitely a very good upgrade from the Simplex Plus. And yeah, check out their website. It's mdsa.co.za. You can find anything related to metal detecting there, also magnet fishing and gold panning and that kind of thing. Really cool shop. Their service is excellent.